Hello, my name is Gemariah Valencia and this is my video lab report. So for this lab, I mainly focused on modeling the solar system instead of predicting the day, month, and year of the Earth. And so I used a circular orbit instead of an ellipse like a real solar system. And also, I increased the radius of certain planets so that it'll be easier to see visually. Finally, I also only took the sun into account in terms of gravitational forces between the planets. So I based the sun as the origin, 000, as its position, and I took the positions of each planet relative to the sun. Also, I used the average data and also Googled some things to find out the exact positions relative to the sun and also the radius of each planet. And then with that, I used fundamental physics principles such as momentum equals mass times the velocity. Now this velocity was given by the NASA information at a specific time, so it's not the average velocity. And some constants I used were the gravitational force constant and delta T as 1 Earth year. And so the time is 1 Earth year, a day. And then, so for the time, it is 1 Earth year, technically, multiplied by 250 because it takes Pluto 250 years for one whole revolution. And so I'll first show you the solar system. So this is Pluto, and that's the sun. And if you zoom in, Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars are basically moving so fast. And so for delta T, I would multiply it by 1 over 100 just to see the inside move so that it'll be slower. So that's the solar system, and I basically used to update the position as the position plus the change in position, which is velocity times delta T. And also for the force surrounding that's keeping them in orbit, I define them as the position, sun's position minus the planet's position, and I use the gravitational potential equation. Now for the attempt to calculate the day and the length of 1 Earth day, and so I'm going to try to make it so that it only shows one revolution of Earth to find out how many seconds it takes. So 1 day in seconds was approximately that number, and in minutes it'll be 1434, and that's approximately 23.9 hours. And so that would be 1 day approximately, and then this would be 1 year. And thank you for your time.